So today I'm going to be talking about my DA. Originally, I was motivated by a former student's digital artifact called The Future of Food. This artifact mostly focused on humans consuming more insects. However, I want to focus on the future of the meat industry and how humans could progress more towards plant-based consumption. Given today's circumstances, there's an increasing awareness surrounding topics such as climate change, disease and overpopulation. I'm curious to learn if switching to a plant-based diet will just eliminate several of these issues. My methodology of choice would to be create a website using Wix. The website would be titled Vitality Through Veganism and would contain information regarding the vegan way of life and if the vegan way of life is a sustainable choice for humans in the future. Ideally, my audience would consist of meat eaters who are curious about what is going to happen to the meat industry in the future. People that access the website will have to be open-minded individuals. There is a lot of background research regarding this issue. Majority of scholars discuss how meat is not a sustainable way for the future and suggest that humans should be progressing more towards vegan or vegetarian lifestyles now. In relation to the lectures, I found a strong connection between this topic and science fiction, which was week 2. I've made the connection specifically between lab-grown meat, as several articles and blogs suggested that lab-grown meat is slowly progressing from science fiction to science fact. Star Trek also used food synthesizers that later replicates matter into meat, which would be used for human consumption. In relation to a timeline, there is a couple things that I do want to be completed. Things I would like to do, such as a background research blog post, a video essay type vlog, as maybe trialing vegan food or trying to be vegan for a week. I also want to get on Twitter and encourage my fellow students in BCM to come visit my website. I believe this topic is relevant to users as the issue of climate change, disease and overpopulation is a shared international problem that needs a resolution. People would be eager to learn about the future of the meat industry and how they could be making applications in their diet now for a better future.